Well, let's try to remember this vocabulary about food. So, I point and you say, ready? What's this? Apple. What's this? Orange. What's this? Banana. What's this? Tomato. What's this? Carrot. What's this? Potato. What are these? Beans. What are these? Peas. What's this? Rice. What are these? Pasta. Ready? What's this? Answer the question. What's this? Banana. What's this? Pasta. What are these? Beans. What's this? Apple. What's this? Potato. What are these? Peas. What's this? Carrot. What's this? Tomato. What's this? Orange. What's this? Rice.